Hello and welcome to the OnPoint app. This is instructions on how to download the app and what the benefits are. So you'll go to this page and you'll go scroll down and you'll click on this link. It's fairly simple. And this is for Android users, and we'll come out with another video for iPhone. You're going to see this little 3-dot thing here, and you're going to click on it. You're going to go down to install app and you're going to say install, and there you go. Now, the features in this are great. If you want to send us a text, you just send SMS, click on SMS, and it'll send us a message. Pretty easy to use. You can call us, just click on call. It'll call us on whatever you want. The estimator tools are not there yet. We are getting them ready. Also, if you need irrigation repair, just click on irrigation repair, and then you'll go down here and click on request a quote. So that'll get you on the service. We are going to change that where you can actually just click it and request a repair. So that'll be changing. There'll be some changes made to the app as we go on. You can also here, as you see, it says add to home screen. Just click on add to home screen. Bam. Easy cheesy. So this app will be developing more and more. And some changes we made. You'll also get discounts. Also, we are just in the future, we're coming up with a program for irrigation. It's called the Platinum Blue. There's going to be two options. One option is going to be a monthly cost, but it's going to include all repairs. So you don't have to pay for repairs anymore. It's just a monthly fee. And then the other one is a little different, but we'll be letting you know about that soon. So also, when you download this app, you are you are eligible to get a gift card. Just email us, text us through the app, let us know that you've downloaded the app, and you will receive a gift card. Thank you very much. And if you have any more questions, call us at 214-702-1902. Thank you.